3, 2, 1.
We are visiting Abu's working shop, located in the heart of Basigao, Taoyuan Village, Yanping. Exploring the rich weaving heritage of the Bunun people. Inside, you can see various tribal garments and headpieces. These colorful threads are all dyed with natural color. We use plant pigment to create these colorful hues.
Look, this is a traditional Bunun loom. The one on the other side is a large model. Look at these exquisite patterns. They are truly stunning. The natural light here helps the weavers see the true colors of the threads. Let's quiet our minds and appreciate the beauty of these creations. Now, let's step outside to explore the surroundings.
Now, we are outside to experience scraping rami. First, we need to remove all the leaves. Then, we scrape the stems into fine fibers and soak them in water. After soaking, we dry them in the sun for about 1 to 2 weeks. These jars contain the ingredients for dyeing. They are all natural fruits and seeds from plants. The teacher is also showing us how to twist the rope. Finally, we practiced how to weave baskets with bamboo.